Come on, get in there. There we go. Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Newsword Detecting. Today I'm detecting this field here. The beach I was on in a past video. And yeah, I'm hoping I'll find something good here today. But I'm not sure. You never know. Hopefully I'll find some silver. That's what I'm really hoping for, because I've never found silver yet so far in 2018, so yeah. Anyways, I'll let you know if I find anything good. Alright? Okay. First thing off the day, and I got myself a grommet. Another grommet. Yeah. Found a good many of these. Not as much as them ball lime weights though. But yeah, I did find quite a bit of these grommets. Copper grommets. Boating related probably. Yep. That's what she be. A grommet. Let's go find some more, shall we? Not grommets. Coins. I just found this bolt here. Some sort of bolt. Yeah, nothing special, it's just a bolt of some sort. Tell by the waves and everything. Alright, let's resume. Well, I'll be. Just dug up another grommet. That's grommet number 2. Bigger than the first one I got. Still, it's a grommet. Well, I just found grommet number 3. There it is. Grommet number 3. Check that out. Well guys, I'm digging on the edge. Look at that, I just found a coin. Check that out. Richie. Newfoundland large cent. 1909. Check that out. Second large cent out the year. Should have King Edward on the side, but yeah, still it's pretty dirty and whatnot. But yeah, that's a 1909 Newfoundland large cent. How awesome is that? Booyah. And it's well, something. It's like a small grommet. Oh man! At first I thought it was a ring, but no, it's just like a small grommet type thing. It's probably lead of some sort. Another relic. It's a Canadian, yeah, it's a Canadian nickel, 1962. It's from Canada. Queen Elizabeth II, young Queen Elizabeth. Cool. It's like, I like the design of this coin. It's octagon shape. Neat. Well, I just dug up the hinge. Closed hinge. That's pretty cool.
Come get your duds in order, 'cause we're bound to cross the water. Heave away, me jollies, heave away.
Guys, I'm back home now. And I gotta say, that was a pretty fine hunt. So I swear the wicked old wind out there. Holy crap, was it ever windy. But yeah, I managed to find myself a large cent and a Canadian 5-cent piece. Well, modern 5-cent piece, not silver. And 4 grommets, a hinge, and something else. So yeah, all in all, it was a pretty good hunt. And yeah, and this is my small wrap up for today. It's just the coins. Here's the 5-cent piece, Canadian 5-cent piece, I should say. It's a 1962 octagon type with a young Queen Elizabeth, like I said in the earlier clip. This is a pretty nice coin, I must say. So there's that, and then there's the best coin of the day, in 1909, Newfoundland, large cent, 1 cent. Look at that beauty. Oh yeah. Here's the other side with King Edward. Yeah, it's still a bit dirty, obviously, but sure this coin will clean up nice. It's pretty decent shape for being in the ground for 100 years or so. Yeah, that's a beauty. Oh well, 2 pretty sweet coins, I must say, that I found today. It's been a while since I've found 2 good coins in the same hunt. And anyway, hope you guys liked the video. If you did, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe for more. I'll absolutely appreciate it if you did that. And yeah, leave a comment down below, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next video, and I hope you guys have a great and fantastic day. And I'll be seeing you guys later. Bye!